Okay, this is the part where it all comes together. And then we start our pasta with the roller. And the last thing is going to be your pasta roller. You don't have to have that. You can do it with this if you want to. But I definitely love having one of these so I get a nice, consistent, thin, finished pasta. And our pasta is ready. It doesn't bounce back. And we are good to start. Alright, so we're going to roll up. Alright, so we've got a little bit of a head start on this. So we'll adjust here, open it to the widest setting. And I kind of like this. We're going to stop at 4. Alright, we've got a whole bunch of pasta rolled out. Now we're going to start putting them in the raviolis. So we got a little bit of flour dusted down. And we're just going to take a teaspoon, round it off nice, and we're going to make a row or 2. So now we're going to add in our glue. Just a little bit of water. Alright. Put your pasta on top. Make sure it's centered as much as you can get it. It's not going to be perfect. We aren't looking for perfect. You can use a spatula, the back of a knife, anything really. But we're just gonna, I'm using a chopstick. And we're gonna mush the 2 sides of pasta together. And you wanna work on a grid so that this is possible. The last thing we do, there we go. And we just pick them up, double check your seal, because some of them might not work 100%, so you double check your seal. It doesn't look as pretty as the ones made in the die, but we like these. So you pick up, double check your seal, and you're good to go. Definitely homemade looking pasta. Alright, finally got them all done. We will be able to throw this in the freezer, and once they're nice and frozen solid, bag them up, and they're good to go.